Hi there, I'm Jeremy. Thanks for choosing PromptSmart, a teleprompter app for Windows and Mac. I'd like to show you a few of the exciting new features available for the new update of PromptSmart Studio Edition. Let's take you into the app for a closer look. You now have transparency options for your presentation window, the option to remove the 3-line guide box, or replace the box with a smaller indicator arrow in the left margin, a timer, and more. To access these new features, click on the menu, the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Then, click on Presentation Settings. To make your presentation screen partially transparent, you can control it by moving the opacity slider to the left. Then, when you press play, the presentation window will become transparent. For those of you that use PromptSmart Studio as a speech aid for live video conferences, this will be a useful addition. The 3-line guide box in the middle of the presentation window works differently now. You can toggle it on or off. And we changed the color from gray to blue to prevent eye fatigue. You can also change the size of the box from 3 lines to 1. Or, if you prefer a more discrete reading guide, you can turn on the indicator and a small arrow appears in the left margin of the presentation window. Now you can adjust the time gap between segments. If you're working alone without an operator to advance your script to different segments, this will be incredibly helpful. Simply access the Presentation Settings menu and click the arrow on the left to reduce the time or on the right to increase the time in 1-second increments. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy the update to PromptSmart Studio Edition. You can access it by logging in to my.promptsmart.com with your PromptSmart account, and then download the new installer to your machine from the Downloads tab.